Number 11 day for number 8 moon 2018. We want to say big good afternoon with the salute now for this side for Equinox Story House. PG News Debates. Now time for we for turn back for some of the strong story them will be happen for inside the week. Inside the week we will get quarter story them. We get chapter for vote and we even get chapter for Northwest West plus. Even we will work condition them for roads, for Douala, where we dey prepare, for talk come goods, for change them for 2019. All this story then so we go bring them for now for inside story for this afternoon for PG News Debate. We na time for we say for give invite for we own combi them, may they can talk as well the see as well country. It must to go for before. Now, first we will talk this afternoon before we enter for Tori proper. Sabi say Oga Minister for Communication we fit talk say Governor Togman yesterday for some big book wey send for National Story House. He don't give 7 K2 their name them where they begin hand for that shooting way it be happen for Far North for some woman and picking them. Sabi say before now Oga Minister be don dey talk say no be na Cameroon K2 they be do that work. Who side the 7 they come out? We go try for talk that one small for corner side before we enter for Tori proper. All Anglophone conference where they be talk say it go happen for Boya for 29 and 30 day for this moon. Last they say that one it go happen now for number 21 and 22 day for November moon. So for inside this year according to excuse where they give am now for prepare say make the thing it work fine. My first person I go talk say good afternoon for him now Oga Itwe Smith. Oga Itwe, good afternoon for you and we glad plenty for your time.
Thank you very much, Ambassador.
All right. Another person where we go try for talk say come good. He come on arrive for that side for land for Kombi. Now OPEC City one column or na say na Victoria as why they ever land for column. You go call them to Limbe. Now Oga Job Desire. Good afternoon for you.
Good afternoon, Ambassador, and good afternoon for all the population they watch me now live. Most especially the one they were watching now for Limbe alias Victoria.
And my four.
My four especially.
My four. All right, so we don't just talk small thing there now. Maybe we'll first discuss on that chapter before we enter for till we'll get them for people them. Now, alright, so we'll start talking now to this chapter for Minister for Governor Togman. Now, so he be come up for television. It denied time with some video with the tonton say we Cameroon K2 they be shoot woman and picking them. It be denied say no na Cameroon close. Only yesterday he don't come out again with 7 name them for K2 the way they don't catch them. Say na they begin hand. You feel say normally for better country the minister begin for she don't on top chair. When he talk change mob.
I don't think so. It be very so unfair. For say a whole minister of communication, how we get all gather information. He could pass degree, say this kind of two happen, no be na this person. Later he come back again with other news again. Say na Cameroon for the do and names of some people. And he even say they could go first the law. For me, I know I say correct. Because this country they supposed make good investigation before you pass degree. Because I know say before you want to something that they don't make good investigation. Because even at the last man for talk, and I get all talk for the country. So that one me I look at something where they say they invite them, just for blind people the eye. So I know say I say correct. Like Minister of Communication for bring something we don't first deny. Because where we coach that people and say na not be na Cameroon and they say na Chadian them. Today man so they get the names of the people them. So me I say something they way is not correct for them.
All right, Oga Job Desire, now go for before come for back. That kind bafia kind dance, you go for before you come for back. Minister talk something today, tomorrow he change them, after tomorrow he change them. If you say normal for some better country now for go for by force pension one time, no?
Ambassador, do one a some very bad sign for some country for see government talk man for behave that kind of way. It means say they come talks on top way no do investigation. That means you can't talk on top. Before you go do investigation, before you come back now, can give you a final which way you don't see them. You know correct because if you be government talk man for country, it means in a country they talk. It means before you want come out can talk, you don't do findings before you can talk. You get for wait some time, do investigation proper before you can stand. You talk say no, these people they so not be na Cameroonians them because he talks say they so Cameroonian army want go fight for that side for Far North. They get kind uniform, they carry uniform they wear. They get kind bottle they put them. They get kind gun they use them. But now after we come back, now can talk say no, it did so na Cameroon army. Okay, now that talk will be first to come. Who said don't take that talk now? You go through and now you go do now how? You go show now how the country did.
All right, another one where it surprised people them plenty. Sabi say Oga Ekema Pachi say we be don first start talk for Boya side. They say no, they no want that all Anglophone conference for whole for Boya last. We no sabi whether na over pressure too or na how. But Friday before Friday one finish, we hear say the all Anglophone conference will be get for happen for Boya side for 29 and 30 day for this month. They don't push them again. Say it go happen na sote after vote for Genyung Kunkuma it pass, and it go happen na for 21 to 22 day for November moon. It means na number 11 moon for 2018. The excuse where they give them now for say they be need time for prepare and for planting them better so that the government for all Anglophone people them go pass. If you say na just the excuse that on pressure to a day for back.
Well, for me, I will see the time we they be put time for make that meeting. It be a correct time. I mean, where Bishop be put time
for this month.
Yes, for this month because it be one try where if you make this matter, it be this Anglophone matter. Make it be some way it go be people go fit no say at least small sense of more for inside before they want go for election. They don't go for election again before they can go home meeting. The time where the bishop began, I don't know, this country, they need to get, they don't like to get advice from the men of God. If you see country, the key men of God, them, they need like to get advice from people the way they get that calling from God. They think that their own thing correct. You see the way the men of Obuya, they do them. The way he talks, say, even if Kunkuma talk, that Dongame no go happen. Now, so they don't push enough before. So on top, maybe say, maybe they want to do as soon because they want to say, make a school resume without any problems. That meeting, if it disturb school resumption, but the time when they put that after election, I know say na better time for me.
Okay, it's where you this meeting with cheap people them forgot. They be don't plan say they go hold them for saying they try for bring peace or country. It be get for happen demon now na sote for November we get for pass now.
I don't as I said the meeting for November I not get no use again because normally the meeting was supposed to take place now. One for us because no what we get to talk. People are men of God, they already pray and they will pray right. Okay, now when election will pass, because they want more meeting physically for the two Anglophones and province where they suffer, and for pray against them the election goes smoothly. Now when election will pass, meeting go on, but the meeting not get no use. Left for the mail boy where they talk, I don't know. Wait where they can't on. Where they can't on. Where they even up, you know be prefects. You know be video. Then I just come on me for Boya. They don't take right for governor, prefer for the gift decision them. We're not correct. We're not correct. So me I not get the mate, you not get no impact again. You not get no use. If the mate you hold during the period before election, you do after election, the mate be of no use.
Now the excuse where they give them, they say they no be don't prepare fine, say they get for plan. If you say
no lie.
Who them?
No lie.
Now they be get for plan.
If they don't be prepared, they not for announce the meeting. So they give a date.
Me, I know say that men of God, them
Yes.
even with the big people for Muslim. I know say before they want put that meeting, say they go hold on for so and so time. They don't be prepared for that.
That is it.
They don't be prepared. I know if they say they want change them now, it means say they get another agenda.
That is
Because
it.
they want make an way the election go pass fine, so that the atmosphere go be fine for say election. It go pass fine before the election. They want me the meeting hold before the election, not be after the election.
Well, we go so come back in the better detail for inside this story for this fine sense where Cardinal Tumi be bring am we they go last put now for number 21 and 22 day for inside November more go surely turn back for the Equinox Story House go surely turn back for that story we it pass now only for Friday we go turn back for the by Monday. So make we enter ourselves for Tori self we will get them for this early morning time for this side. We go start now with the palaver for accident for inside Douala here. We take una go for place where they call am say Bonaberi. Now Okada man it be miss die. But last na Okada sesep in last chakaram. We taxi that yellow motor we dey and so for back. He come up for different sides with his speed. As well they come, he lost control. Now Okada man he began for chappy and for game. But the Okada man he jump come up for Okada. He left Okada. the motor sesep e chakara okada dem motor sesep e tumble side for e own side. No person e no get wound for inside this accident wey e happen for that side for Bonaberi for the small flyover wey e dey for that side. Na for side for Ecobank for Bonaberi wey this palava so happen. As I talk for now, taxi man e comot with e wound. Lucky to say e no be dey with any passenger for inside. Okada man sesep e no be get one crash, but na Okada sesep e chakara. This one e happen na for inside this week wey we just dey finish am so. Now Oga Job Desire, dey kind of accident with our fine road wey they don just open am. You fit say na careless or the Okada man or the taxi man e be sabi wetin e dey do.
If they want to check that taxi man very well, maybe you don't take small thing, maybe you don't take Mimbo, or you don't take that way they used to take them before they go drive.
You know,
so
check
want
say
get extra energy.
Palava woman to be the worry.
Yes, so want you to be so you know say before you want enter for steering, you don't get forget anything they disturb your mind. Or maybe he dey for telephone, other kinds of, or maybe he be distracted. He looks on side, he looks on small gun that they pass with short skirt. Or maybe motor no dey for good condition,
or
other kinds of
for family.
Or problem for family don't pass because you say then I want inside motor. Maybe they don't call in and say some emergency deal. They run for go see how they go fit meet up with time. But if you look and find ambassador, if you want to check most motor for inside our country now, you go see and say plenty they be outdated. Visit technique whether you want go for go fix motor, you want go for go fix you put 1,000. They confirm say no motor they fine. You want see motor the worker for road, although they motor the worker just say they dance na Bikusi. So if they make check and they check motor then fine before they work for road. Road don't fine. I want come out limbe I come and see how road at least some place they don't be fine. You ask now so motor then they run for the Okada to the run.
Now,
and man they hurry.
Now, Oga, it's where you this our better road then. Now, road where they don't just open up for the main side for Douala. Even as we surely talk chapter for road small time. If you see a road the way driver they get for the drive carelessly.
Well, I don't feel the way I say accident. Not wait for accident as a Columbia for East Town. But I barely road to where they don't travel fix and fine. The driver maybe I don't feel what I talk. I might not make him miss control for go jam the way the motor be biscuit or so. Maybe na problem for house or I don't feel understand. I don't feel to explain about the kind of accident. So he want is a taxi. Then he run to high speed. Where's the motor cover so? So I don't know.
Alright, another accident we will get inside the week. Now for that side, so for Carrefour for Chan, for people there, they sabi the road. It did like a T junction where one side they enter Bamenda, other one they go now for that side, so for West region. Now for the way moto, we na Ketu their own moto sese way they Carrefour for inside, a Tombo side, according to Toriwe enter for here, moto be the wrong with the plenty speed. It pass on top first speed brake, it pass second speed brake before the moto last. It go Tombo side to take it. Chakara fire is start coming for that motor. So as soon as they see him, we hear say motor boy he be succeed, he jump come out as a motor, but driver for inside that motor will be carry for away be the go now for Bamenda side. He no be fit for come out for inside that motor. Now we this also turn back for talk this palava for speed with our K2 motor them even for normal roads. They run plenty. This one na just one example. Whether the four-way be one go can be agent, man no be sabi. But the kind of accident where you see and so in a uniform people then say they cause them. What you get for talk?
Well, you know, so on reckless driver today, many drivers, why don't drive when they drive those big trucks them? They will be reckless or plenty, and they overrun speed at times. You see, because when place already put us a speed brake there, it indicates about some 200 meters. When you say it goes slow, so I know speed driver will carry heavy speed. He cross first speed brake, cross second one, three one carry go fly. You see, so do one now blame the driver. I don't know what to even think or what to run be yet.
Na uniform man.
You know,
Na uniform man as well the driver for talk.
Now you drive the motor.
Yes, na motor for army them.
Okay, na army motor. You know army that point. You know maybe you know they retired that BBC card them too. Sometimes that why we don't take them away. Here don't crazy, don't change. Yeah, you keep driving recklessly. You know, and they never just say when they never their motor, you see them for main road them. They never roll past any motor. See you say na go motor. You see, so na recklessness.
Na for no enter bush. Oga Job for that accident. If you say na just careless.
Ambassador, you know, so first time you hardly hear say military motor get accident. If you want to calculate them from 2016, so till now you check and find, you go see and say plenty military motor then they don't get accident.
that on.
Just of recent, so I'm happy for Limbede, just around the bank area, where carrying a bead and for inside, only for bank for past 2 hours outside for bank. Moto tombo so they plants the big wound. Just all that time we here for Bamenda side, so I go jump to the jump Okada man with so other people for inside for back way or then die. Now other one to this way now we carrying a fuel. Yes, so all these kinds of things, I don't know why maybe now the kinds way they happen now for this Anglophone matter way maybe it go so over worriness for hate, it one run or the over hairiness on a way to on anger. The other time here for Kumbawe na the Amoka, he runs so he go clear on top taxi, all that kind of thing. The other time na gendarme moto. Still for inside Kumba side,
even
so
for Boya,
even for Boya, so they jump people and kill them. So if you check and since 2016, so they now so then they overget accident. When are they for accident motor the camera, they just shift maybe they pass because the way they waka, they kind of high speed. Do they for checkpoint they reach for they win a police checkpoint with gendarme. They come that police and gendarme they collect their money. They can't stand for they beat gendarme and police and for that place. So that kind of thing. So the way that thing they go, I need to understand.
Now, but one ask me, I don't know whether na law for we uniform people them for say when they inside motor they must to run with plenty speed because it they like a tradition.
Well, no be na law, no na law. Na saying that the way knows that people they like for Harry, they like the way they train them, they like press. Even if that way they want to do that in them, they do they just do and they say they don't choke them so injection for their skin. They like to do something like hot.
We will surely ask we come be the way na uniform people then make they try for tell way. For say the motor that they ever run, we never ever see military motorway in the work as small except sometimes them I fit talk say yes some gendarme motor them will be commander them commissioner they drive one time they work as small but sometimes they work out plenty speed when man say no the year ahead. Now another accident we'll finish with chapter for accidents. We talk this one this big Okada them where they run for highway too where it is so they call them a motor yes where they get plenty speed where it make accident now only for your Limbe road Oga Job Desire with this Okada a tombosai for roads for side for Moliwe e fall but the two way street people then for this accident now say this girl way fall for that way be the ear hot man way he carry for back it be the instant cry na Okada way chakara he no be the cry the girl he say he Okada don't chakara the girl say they for ground he know the ear fine. Now we be one ask question Oga to him this Okada people them as I be say their own Okada they different from other Okada the way they carry way for town. You check say they get for they no get forget some people there they look out them for back. For say say oh you meet other people that they run for roads. You dey fear your heart say the cut you know they on top the on top the Okada.
Yes, that one I work for police and gendarme or route especially because this particular guy talks to that so they route when they pass here and especially the carry get so and women too they like that kind of thing. You know, see what they run for now. Women they line that kind of thing. So God say kada show. When you see this boy they can only one space of boom, you don't see don't go very far. And the worst one is to bend or bend the corner, you see. So do one that maybe don't miss control if fall. And look at the sweet day. He don't mind the woman will carry him. When I get friend or no get friend, or when I get just say come go stroke for limit. Baby keep crying at the machine. Where is boy? You see? So now police and gendarme route they must also control them too. Because they get speed, they limit speed when they super run. Because those people even for test, see they run faster than any other thing.
Alright, Oga Job Desire, that road, you sabi and to fine, road did you ever enter? And see that accident we pass today, what do you get for time?
You know, when the accident happened, I be received call and they explain for me, I no be doubt because the way people they pass and they mostly come from inside Limbe during the weekend. And when the people they pass ambassador, before you 1 year sound for look at where they come, you already pass.
Now only air the blue.
Now only air. And I want talk for the country where they ride the bike. Say this bike is so if you look and find this country no get road for this kind of bike them. This country no get better road for this bike there for the run day. The way the body they run bike for that road. Well, if you run bike, if you want to see some target happen, something you want enter road so you don't jam. For one man country, they get the kind of road where this bike, they want a sport bike. Where before you want to ride them, although the way they be dressed is correct because if you look and find they don't get serious injury because of the way they dress. That bike is you want to be on top, you must be a sporter. And you must be very, very conscious. Thank God to say no man no die. And countryman too, you know, so where you get accident, so it just happens, so you confused.
So
I just go that direct for a bike because I bike will be right down. I go direct for this.
So you know,
the sense come
for back.
the sense come after. What say?
My bike that way,
You
you
go
forgot say
the look up. You go the look up.
You declare na a bike.
You know, just say
for one side.
you know, just say they are alive. So that after when sense comes, say they with woman.
Na Okada the cry no even care say whether the woman dey or
even what the one come Douala yes so bypass one they go down they go so now for go swim for water so for same side so at one beg they say where they work out they think so the road this no get better road for the run there oh now small but the way they run am no problem.
All right, we go left this palaver for accident. We left chapter for accident. We take on a goals for other quarter to read them. We go start for quarter 13 from Banga with some boy wey dey take strong cigar. Inside the week 2, we be talk that palaver. It be struggle for go a key self. It be one take rope, a hanger for a neck. Bed last some good Samaritan. It become pass where you see the boy wey be already put rope for a neck. They cut the rope, put it for inside truck. One time they carry go for hospital. Tori the tell we say the boy, it dey so na boy wey he dey ever take his strong cigar. They will take strong cigar. It the day way they fine, it go disturb quarter people them. They will no dey fine. It do any other what if he for do and but the last time he take that cigar na rope. The cigar tell him say may go carry him. One time if one go hang himself. Lucky say people they the pass, they see him. Cut the rope for a neck, put it for truck, carry am one time, go now for hospital for that side so for quarter 13. Now from Banga, this one a pass. For this side so for Douala, for place where they call am say Bedi Plateau for week 2 a Pijo pass. We talk palava this young boy, he get na 17 years. He be just come for take the pass IBPC exam. He did for Douala. Now for holiday, the boy he go cut rope where they use and put clothes on top. Now the rope he take hang himself. Waiting he make the boy where they call and say Vianney for hang himself so they die. Tori he enter for we ESA. He be try for chop soya for a niece. As well be try for chop soya for a niece. With the niece he no be gree, but the niece he run. When family people they come, they no talk the boy, they no touch the boy. Whether na fear, he make the boy before he go take rope, he hang himself so they die. Man, he no sabi, but people then for quarter they talk their own. Say the house, na house we gate, you know they ever open. Say thing they pass inside that quarter where people they no sabi. So inside the week we get 2 cases them for people that they try for hang themselves. One, he try lucky for he, they become cut the rope. Other one, he hang sote, he die, 17-year-old pikin. He just come up for get BPC. Make we talk on top to the 2 cases for hang them, Oga Job Desiree. The 2 things that we don't see them, wait if you for talk on top the 2.
Yeah, I go start with that one for quarter 13 for that side for Nambanga. If you get pikin, if you born pikin way, you see now pikin way, they one depend now for they take that bad cigar or for they take the bad drug they can say tramor. You know, see that one are losses. Because anytime you know go ever do anything for inside quarter or for inside house will be positive. That one are really just no say na losses for that kind of picking. Therefore, even leave yourself make it harm because the way I understand that boy this one a problem for your family. Because if you want look and find them now say something don't vex you or now that over cigar don't over enter inside you know say sometimes you be overtake her so it make you the bill say I don't crease. But how you do get that kind of sense for go take rope put on for next to the one hang? See how they don't take truck, they push like they say truck don't turn their own ambulance. So it be very bad. Then that other small boy too for Bedi Plateau where you want go rape because he needs his sister.
Nice sister,
yes.
Sister.
That one go be a shame. But the way I see him there, the way he hang, person go hang, if they know he swing for air, he hang this.
No, when you look the foot fine be stand up on top something. Just for corner when you look that image, I say I beg I go show you small time. When you look the image fine, you see that place. Now some stick that when you stand up on top.
Okay.
So they check that if you see him.
Okay.
Now for they stand then he push him.
Okay.
Then but people that they see talk say the boy foot be over long.
Yeah, because
you see the distance for the tree and
because if it is
so
I don't know why something where na some evil spirit when I wait you the young man like that one so at least family don't say maybe they don't tell you say the kind of thing do and no fine and if it be remain only for inside family maybe people not here for outside how it don't can happen now so maybe now you make I would not be years now because of the thing make maybe now you don't vex to go hang so we condemn all the kinds of people they will take up put on for neck no matter what it happen you know get for hang yourself not the way they not fit arrange them Nothing past arrangement.
Okay, to these two cases them we don't see them. We take get for talk like Papa for Pikin.
Well, the first one happen from Banga, like that boy, if not for me.
If
I live, I may die. Because I don't feel it was the boy when he don't smoke, he don't drink, he need to step when he cause one trouble after the other. So the way we right, maybe take a name, maybe not the way God wants me end life. You see? The way be more pitiful than this small young boy of 70 years. He just passed years, I'm too. Even if you are 10 self for rape in this, you know, support self, no matter the tradition of the family, you know, support that, but you know, if you know again, if it be something we not correct,
and I hear you say if he complains, maybe now alcohol.
Yeah, they be go for some occasion. Party. They be get to marriage that day where they even show a picture for the boy where we don't take better picture photo for that site. He come the artist say waiting do I say now of our member we be drinking.
Yeah, you know say parties they never be problem. Maybe it's a party be carried. As you see those who are married, then again it's maybe the love dance. You know that kind of thing. You know, when you go for occasions like that. Occasion, people they go for copy a lot of bad things occasion. You see, now that place where we God to say he prefer for go for house people a month, the house people a feast. Because when you go there, you get two ideas for your heart. When you think. You see? Now why is my told that wait? People they go for feast house just because say for see the way they feast day. And so when they go with lust, you see, when you come part of the house, we don't drink small, any man will be carried. If you be carried, you do what you support to.
But even if this kind of situation be passed, you will feel saying that the best way that boy be is
no, the young man
get better.
He not be support take your life. Even if we do the acts, yeah, no, he not support take your life. He not support take your life. But now if they say we attempt, he not do them. When they go glory, they say attempted murder. You see, or the one we don't compare the murder. Now two different things. You see, he not support take your life. Now very young man, we get a bright future, 70 years old. In my not for the life.
All right, now the two cases in that for hanging will be getting for inside the week for Tori House here. We go talk now so palava for vote for get with new Nkunkuma inside the week we finish. Elect and SSF, they no be even wait so they 8 for this month it reach. Now for number 7 day, we elect people then SSF, they be called Tory people them and other party people there they be don't give their name for turn up for vote for new Nkunkuma for can hear who they be get right and who they no be get right for turn up for vote for get new Nkunkuma for inside we country. Now inside that palava, big man for Elekam, Oga Eno Abrams Egbewe na SSF e be common the list. He talk say Elekam people them they be get so 28 name them for their table where they be the look inside their book them. Out of the 28 people there where they be bring their name them say they want turn up for vote for being Nkunkuma. One person Isaac Fodje he be come back he can come out in name say no go turn up for the vote again. Then Ele can be left with 27. Inside that 27 Ele can come out 18 people their name put them for inside dirty place. They say their own book they no be correct. Then 9 people the day way Elekan people they be keep them say na their own name they be correct and all the thing the way they bring up for their before it be correct. So now me say na 9 people them they go turn up for vote for get new Nkunkuma for we country. It go happen now for number 7 day October month 2018. Now so make we see the new the 9 phase them where Elekan people they be choose them for this palava for turn up for vote for get new Nkunkuma who they want enter for it today who they be there for that list. Make we show now again that phase them as so we don't show now the whole week. We get Paul Biya when Nkunkuma says we they on touch churches now he turn back for can turn up for vote. We get Akeremuna, Maurice Kamto, Joshua Osi, Amadou Ndamjoya, Cabral Libi, Serge Espoir Matumba, Gaga Aman Aji, Ndifo Afangwi Franklin, aka Prophet Frank for a kinship church for this side so for Douala. Sabi say after the 9 people their name they come out, we be try for divide them. Who their name they ever come for chapter for vote for get new Nkunkuma. Make we see that old broom them for inside house where they sabi all corner for chapter for vote for get new Nkunkuma. Who they be the new, who be the old brooms them for the new candidate where they bring them first. Make we see the new candidate them where they bring them for inside. Make we take on a go for the new candidate them where they did for inside the chapter. They did them 6. The new candidate them where we bring them for inside this palava. Well, I say they don't show it this one. Now the old brooms and that for inside the house. Paul Biya, we get Paul Biya, we get 85 years, and another old man, na Adamu Damjoya, 76 years. Then last person, na Gaga Aman Aji, 74 years. So now the old room than this inside the house. Make we see the youngest people then too. We will put them under 40 years where they be enter for their name inside this chapter for vote for Genyun Kunkuma. We get 2 young people there where they day under 40 years. Make we see them. Cabral Libi, he get 38 years. Sesh Espoir Matomba, now the second person that where he dey under 40 years, 38 years too, as we on the see their face them. So then the new people there they don't enter for inside the chapter for vote, where they come for the first time, they never ever try for vote for get Nyun Kunkuma for we country. Make we enter for the new phase now, where they dey for inside this chapter for vote for the first time. Make we see their face them for the new candidate them, where they put their name them for inside the Palava. We get Akere Muna for PFD party, Maurice Kamto for Cameroon Renaissance Movement, Joshua Osi for SDF, Cabral Libi, Univer, we get Serge Espoir Matomba, UPS Arupati, Ndifo Afangwi Franklin, CNCM Party. So, now the new phase in that, for the chapter, we get Sote 6, then the other 3 people them, now old people them. Now, Ogam Etwe, you'll be there for inside country here, you hear all to a pass. You will get any surprise?
For the 9 remaining one, from the beginning.
Yeah, for all the things that we pass for the week for inside elections.
Well, you know, say for one post, about 20 people will contest. For me, I will also say it will already plenty. So now the long commodity list of 9 2 is still plenty. Because if this is going to have a biggest state by state, if I find. You see? But for me, the way the Cameroon election they ever go, it not ever please. Because otherwise, so for me, I look at it as a formality. Because among the contestants for the and also say the one day where if you win the election, the old man will there for that share, now so he could take the election. Because Rabbi say, now United Nations can't contest the election, Cameroon, even the United Nations, as far as the pop here, they still contest, and also no man know if you win the election. So for me, the election not be too much interesting for me.
Now, when you see the faces them, you get Man of God and for Franklin, Afangwi for Douala here. For a long time, we'll never see person way they for God, they follow God, they enter for chapter for votes. When you check the when you see the one, so if you see something for talk say Cameroon, the one come out outside the trouble, they get an honor, just say politic man.
Well, Man of God, we don't take politician. You see, because frankly, we will not say, man will get kinship for Douala. I don't see the new people contest here. I don't see no change if you bring them.
Say na God send him.
Well, if it was a God send, we can not send them. If na God send him, then if you suppose let's stand and nominate him, let's say don't be president of Cameroon. Because we never ever hear a story about politicians in the country or any responsible in the country. Now only one side me name now for church like prophets for God. So do not only put the only kind of can cause instead more trouble inside the election. Yes.
Okay. Oga Job Desiree, this palaver for Genyun Kunkuma, you don't follow all the name them, you don't see the young people them, old people them. What do you get for comment on top the chapter?
Well, Ambassador, the first thing it be surprised me plenty now for years say Kunkuma the sister again. When I be the other one, I be surprised plenty because when I be here say Fundi believe I'm again for OC Joshua, I be think my own say maybe Kunkuma to find some young blood to put them where only young people contest. And then the other one too, I be say other say prophet, he can't stand for come be like candidate for rule this country. I be say well, now so other changes that way maybe if he can move away for this misery, it happen for inside country. So you know what it happen for inside country now. Maybe as he talks, say God don't say any, we no criticize. Maybe God don't say it to true. Miracle if it happen, now prophet of God. Maybe miracle if it happen, the country too can be that country too way God fit change them. Well,
and maybe just for the fact say name don't even fair be for the first 9.
Be for the first 9, yes. It been a
driving.
But election for this country, ambassador, if you be, you know, say when you be in a player at the playboard, then referee na your countryman or referee na your Pekin or referee na your uncle, you go hard before person way you want to play, he win you. So election for Cameroon at times are just formalities.
Now, we hear say so they 20 petition them, they don't really enter for Constitutional Council. They start for look at yesterday, and most of them, they try for talk say this will make Nkunkuma, may they disqualify Nkunkuma his own candidature for inside the Palava. Someone they talk say Nkunkuma name, na Paul Biya, but the one they call na Biya Paul. Someone that their own argument. If you say all the complaint the way Constitutional Council don't get and so, now just for waste time.
Do I know that the first time when they call over here, name say Biya Paul. Even last time we win election, how they be caller. So make them know that they like how when you want go write exam, you start get some kind of complaint where you know maybe you want study fine. If they don't want to stand, they want to go for election, maybe they go one time. Because me I say even if that's actually right and say it's not for Constitutional Council, they will just twist and try inside the bucket because they say no make no sense. Because people are inside Constitutional Council now with them.
No, wait,
very probably.
You feel say as just some play for back where the one happen for say they don't follow constitutional way as a constitution talk. Say people they don't put petition, then the Constitutional Council don't look at them, they don't come out and for 10 days. If you say na just play,
yeah,
na just cover the cover.
That's so they are playing. That's so they are game where they play for make maybe say Constitutional Council do the work. But say people they don't write petition, they do don't check and they say no, this petition where they write and so you know get no grounds. So if you say person. If you say your name na ambassador, then the first corner other name. You know make no sense.
My English teacher them where I don't pass for their hand and if you call them plenty, they did them plenty, they don't teach me English. Then they try for to say if your name na so job Desiree, then some person call and Desiree job. You know be your name again.
It means not two different people.
Well, according to them.
But they will start complaining ever since no be now.
Okay, okay, to when you hear all the kind of complaints, so if you say nah just complain for past time.
Yes, for me, I don't really believe to that one because those people in the Constitutional House, not them. Now Nkunkuma still. The job do of black people say they work. For me, that's what we talk. Yes, normally if Mr. Nkunkuma not be contest again, if even better. But now we contest me, I will say there's no election. You know, most of the opposition they serve now, why would they do it for it back? When they go take their vote, cast them for it.
But you know, if you say Nkunkuma get surprise for it, so I say Joseph Kabila just come out for playing last joker. Wait till say no go turn up again for inside chapter. If you say Nkunkuma to no get some surprise for it,
what because Siam?
Plus how we don't quiet too for long so
because okay, we share we never send a candidate for true internet or candidate, but this time for force here on and the candidate people don't respect them. If he shock everybody surprise, oh man. And if I accept for stand again, and he wants to win. He wants to win. So as the day so me, I never see nobody where you could ever win Nkunkuma for election.
Now this palaver for all opposition then too for join up, it don't being plenty talk for people down there. If you say if opposition they join up for turn up against Nkunkuma, if he brings some change.
We not got position for Cameroon.
True.
We not get no position for Cameroon here. Because now people where we just a trick of the eye, you don't carry head go.
Yeah, Ambassador, if they assess the one join, the man will say, I want stand, I want be there, I want be for before. So now he be problem.
Man no cut you if I get for 30 away one of the candidates and talk, Cabral Libi, he talk say them 8, the fish down for inside one place, they make vote, or them the right name for person they feel say. If he be there, or they not they trade their support for the person in the back.
Okay.
So now own idea that I bring and say they make their own internal vote.
Nkunkuma go still win them. He could still win them, yes.
No, if they do so if he find
he could still win them. Just imagine last election. How many votes he get? Second one before that win at SF, he became many. So even they didn't have the 20 or they have 28 to 1 contest, they join them in the cast vote, Nkunkuma vote could still pass their own.
Some game will pass.
Yes. Now get so around 22 or 23 party, then so they don't say they go turn up for Babu Nkunkuma.
Yeah.
Then why
okay, plenty of the results say they give their voters from Nkunkuma back. You see, I know. And I saw it always pass.
Then why they could accept? Why they could accept opposition?
When we just say one contest too, at the end you go correct declare say he don't resign, but he give all the candidate only the vote from Nkunkuma. That now it.
All right, we left Palava for election. We enter for that side. So for this chapter, we Auga Atanganji, Gratango, Ebide we teach them, we debitive them small for that side for Boya Ebide na weekly job pass. And Sabi say inside the house, we see all the chief they like Chief Njombe and the other chief them, we don't keep them for one side for some time. For inside the house, one of the council of them, if he gets a big mind for take his skin show am for we for see as wey dey so dey be knacky plenty for the time wey dey so dey be thief too with achieve them for that side. Sabi say Gra Tango wey be the talk this chapter, e be talk say people there they don dey help for confusion for happen for country here. Say the same aeroplane wey e go bring Ayuk Seseko and the other people them e dey prepare for turn back for Obodo Ibo for go carry them to bring am, and he talk say the chief them he be sorry and governor sesep he go see as wetin they go happen fine for their side. He talk to say wetin say make palava make all people them they copy better example for Ekema Patrick wey even as we think they wrong he don so turn up wrong for talk say na he look out the place. So if all man be like Ekema Patrick according to wetin we Gra Tango talk, Cameroon e no go get any confusion for inside. For that side, for Wotutu for Tole, where people them they don't start turn back for their house them, call the people them. Sabi say Saturday, Sunday, Monday, sep, and even small Tuesday for that side. It be war as way people themselves they be wrong commode enter, but Binet it don't turn back for Wotutu for Limbe side. After we were gone, it be hala for that side for some half time. We be see even Baba Saloon with the Bonham and for road they be carry chain them for market people them put them for road for block place bonfire. Now one of the cases in that, and as well they go for before SSF will be so meet up some other people then too it dey so they don't block roads. But last as well talk for now life it don't turn back to normal for inside Wotutu as well Binet it don't start the turn back in the proper. Make we hear wait away some of the people them they be talk for we Tory man for that side Davidson Maimu. Make we try for see whether we fit hear from people them for Wotutu, wait till they talk or they be get their own story for talk for women for that side, Davidson Maimu. We go just enter for inside here. We no go fit for hear that people then talk for we this afternoon now. Oga Job, make we just talk on top these two chapters the whole don show am for Gra Tango, then that side for Wotutu. I believe say just dey for your corner.
I go start with that one for Wotutu ambassador because the day when all these things should be happen for Wotutu, you know, I just now for my four, just corner Wotutu. I be stand for my four, I get sound for gun. It be like say it just now for inside Syria, and then I be receive calls from people the way they did under bet. Somebody start calling me from 6 o'clock for evening time on Sunday. When he say they under bet, he call me again for morning time on Monday. I hear that sound for one even not where they talk. All thing I say, I beg, when I pray for we, I beg when I pray for we. I see he talk so at the hear sound for gun. He say don't sleep for under bed, so he did for floor, he back door hot. Ambassador, you been as one terrible thing. You know when it be happen so that Sunday, my in-law Williams where they drive SDO, he go boy, the one come back. Now they meet up him. He see how they run, so he be call me say what's the happen for Wotutu. I say I try to make calls, I try to inquire. They say he don't pass for Wotutu, so if he try ways to take, if he pass now for different side, he succeed, he go. So the one terrible situation where we just beg and beg say make this issue he try for stop. Then we go for that one now too for Gra Tango. I see and say if I look and find the two people the way that they make this issue the worse than then two we get Ekema Patrick and Gra Tango way they talk say Ekema Patrick now one person where they take example for you for make a meeting and go before. Now 2 points they say make a meeting this issue then he say worse than worse. Me man not lie you say now people in that way they will make and solve this issue. Now lie. How person go manage before inside boya taxi they don't pack where the fear say me no deploy taxi. Did you come out go move air for tire because say taxi don't pack. So I don't see anything where you to say you get cut for you tap your back say no you don't do fine work. This issue so it be very funny. Be funny.
All right, Oga Itwe, wait you get for talk for this chapter. I saw the finish for today.
Well, that criteria people for a place where you no fear. And that people what to now since where this was start, now their very first time experience.
Exactly.
When they experience so they get to fear plenty. You see? We don't know. Man of know we talk with where go online for this country. Since people they want to make peace reign, we need to see the peace. You see? And most thing they said was every day. Every day. You see? Because any level boya, Ekema Patrick when I mail boya. You know, you don't mean say don't take laws for his hands. Because in the test of certain decision, they like say na you don't own a prefect or due. Or na governor. When you not support me or na me, he get limit. He get limit. But you don't take law for your hands. When he now walk in the place of governor, he walk away the place of the prefect. When me as you not correct. You not correct. Yes. So no matter if you stand, if you super, if you super own contribute for boya. Man go lock his store, go double iki. Because no open store. You see, you know just correct. At least make it no place will be limited. Make the prefect do work or DO do work. Or governor. But you know take decision for DO, take decision for prefect, take decision for governor. You know correct. Yes.
Alright, we don't finish story for today. Number 10 day for inside number 11 day for inside number 8 moon 2018. Sabise rebroadcast. If you ever turn back for Sunday for 8:30. Oga Job Desiree, you come alright for Limbe. I want to say thank you plenty for the time.
Thank you, Ambassador. I want to say good afternoon for all my fans and for my program. For make we talk for eating radio. I'll be sorry, say today no go hold. I say good afternoon for my parents, Mr. and Mrs. Parents, and for my 4, and for Jan for Newtown, and not forget Eureka too for that side for my 4. So I say good afternoon for Honor for that side for Limbe side.
Alright, Oga Itwe, as I be say, don't take service, you say never enter for village for seek this confusion. Your last talk, I say what they come up for you.
Now for thank you. You can also invite with you for can't tourist move on for you. And again, I receive thank again. All my friends them why they there for bush and why I don't have a car for Eastern bush. Say may they continue to persevere. One day God will intervene. We could see better because we live now in fear. Me are not the village. So now I say no every can come, no every can here. As I did so people that suffer, they are really suffering. Nothing know. So I thank everybody for their lives.
I'm going to continue for prayer. Even the authorities there for Equinox, the way they don't fix the Toli house.
I say more continue for prayer. Say make change for the country.
All right.
Because if the year to start, we not start school for our session. I don't know what will happen. I don't know.
Okay.
So we only got to continue praying. Only God he want to intervene for me.
All right. So I want to say big thank you for all now join we on a fit you will know if you for look Sunday for 8:30. You fit turn back for the for look the Tori. So now can big thank you Innocent Abega and Ledu Ponitu for na a hand one put for same program. Iwaka fine. For Ambassador, on go meet up for Monday for some time. If Papa God deliver, on a hold tight.